Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and with a new topic on the autoloader in the Databricks. So through the autoloader, so you have to read the data continuously from the source. Then after that, we have to write into a destination. So before doing the autoloader, to read the continuously data from the source, make sure you have to record to import the record library. After that, we have to read the data by using the data frame. So generally, while creating the data frame, we are using the spark.read.format. But here you have to use the spark read stream because you want to continuously read the data from the source. And after that, you have to define what is the data type, I mean the file type you want to read. Then you have to define the schema location. And after that, you have to mention the load from which you want to load the data. That would be the path. And the second one, once read the data from the source, you have to write it your destination, right? So you have to use df write trim instead of using the df write because you want to continuously write the data. Here the data type would be delta, and after that we have to define the checkpoint location. Also, we have to define the recording like uh, what is the time you want to process the data continuously. Suppose you want to read the data or write, I mean write the data every 2 minutes, I mean the 2 seconds or 3 seconds, you define that accordingly. And after that, we can start. Okay. So let me go jump over the Databricks UI. So in the U from the UI, we can try to create the data frame and to read the data from the source continuously. Then we can write it to uh, one of the path. Okay, and after that, we can read the data to get confirmed. Okay. So here we go. Let me go and jump to the Databricks UI to create the autoloader, to use the autoloader. So let me click on new to create the new notebook, autoloader in Databricks. So we have to connect our cluster, and after that we have to import the required library here. The required library has been inserted. Now we can read the data. And after that we have to create the data frame like the Spark read stream format cloud files. The format would be CSV, cloud files format will be CSV. Then you define the schema location. So I define the schema's location would be like the file store tables, DB autoloader, and checkpoint. And after that, the data would be we have to insert it into this location. So let me check first. This location is present or not. Okay, I think that is not present. Yeah. So the checkpoint location would be created automatic while running this. While running this from the Databricks. But make sure I do have the data right in this location because it will try to read the data from this file store tables tb location. So let me execute it first. It will be failed because there is no data inside this location. Okay, so let me try to run it. You can see here it got failed because it's saying there is no file found inside this location. So let me copy this path to load some data inside this location here. So let me go to the catalog, then the create table. Yeah. So let me let me try to put some data. Let me open it first before ingesting into the location. You can see here I have six column ID, serial number, index, number, time, and zip. Okay, so let me ingest it to this location. So it is ingested now. So let me go to my node and let me try to run it again. So you can see here it is able to read the data from this source. Okay, now we can write it. So it will be df write stream format, data type will be delta, the checkpoint location we have defined here. So processing time we can do every 2 seconds. More schema is not required. Currently, we are not trying to insert ingest any new data with the new schema. So we can remove it. That is not required. And after that, we can start to store the data inside this location. Okay, and I have to write the data inside this location. So let me write it. I let me run it. You can see it is continuously trying to write the data into the destination. So let me go to this destination and try to see whether the data is right, written or not. Maybe fs.ls. Let me list the files from this location. Yeah, you can see the data is written inside this location with the perfect format. So I want to confirm whether that amount of data is written to this location or not. So in that case, we have to create the data frame, read the data. So you can read the data from this same location in which data is written, like the Spark read format, the data type with the delta. So you can mention delta. The inference schema would be true. And then load the data from this location. Then do display. So you can see the data has been written to the destination continuously. Okay. So what I'll do, I I will try to ingest another data to create another scenario. Okay, I can create ingest another data into this location. But the condition would be uh, instead of the six, I will add the another column in my data. Then after that, I will ingest it to see if updating the schema in the source, how is it behaving. Okay, so let me go to the catalog, create table, TV Autoloader data. Yeah, you can see I have, let me open another file which I have. So let's do one thing without adding the new schema, try to ingest another file to see whether continuously it is trying to uh, write the incremented or not to get confirmed. After that, we can add another field to check the new schema whether it is trying to write into the destination or not. Okay, so let me ingest another data here. There you can see it continuously trying to write the data. Okay, so also when you got the another file, got it got the new data. It only uh, picked those data which is newly added into the files. Okay, so it means the increment data is coming here. Okay, so what I'll do now I can insert another data, but before inserting the another data, let me do some count here. Okay, like how many rows are available inside this data in this table to get confirm whether it is copying new data or not. Okay, so you can see it is around 2 lakh. Okay, 2 lakh rows available inside the destination. So let me try to ingest another data, but this time it will be failed because I'm trying to ingest the file which has the new column. Okay, let me go to the catalog and the create table. Let me open it. So you can see here, like whatever the new file I inserted, there's another column which is the new column. Let the salary equal this value I have added here. You just check and confirm. Okay. So if I go here to the notebook, then it will fail. Yeah, you can see here it got failed because it's saying it got another column which is name is salary. Okay. So while matching the new column with the old schema, okay, so it found then another column so that it got failed. It got failed. So in order to resolve this issue, we have to add uh, another parameter here. So to type the merge schema equal to if it got the new schema, okay, new field, then merge it with the destination. Okay, so let me here on it again. Then write it. So you can see it started to read the schema, the new schema from the source, and after that it added into the destination. If you saw here, let me first check the count. The count should be increased. Yeah, you can see earlier it was 1,99,000 9.99, but currently you can see 1 lakh record has been added. It means it is able to add the uh, new data, I mean the increment data. However, we have to see that new schema is added or not. I mean the new field is added or not. Okay, so how we can confirm? So we can confirm from here. It means df3 equal to this df3. Order by salary dot display, and you can use limit as well. Yeah, it's showing null because we are trying to show the see the data from the, I think it is the descending order. Okay, so let me change it. Sorry, it will be descending order. By default, it will be ascending order. Yeah, it means how data is incrementally trying to read and write, as well as the it is trying to add the new schema in our destination. Okay, so thank you guys. You can see we are able to use the autoloader to read the data, increment and write the data, increment data into the destination. Okay, so thank you guys. I will connect in the next session. Thank you.